Hello friends, welcome to OpenStack training series brought to you by the Skillpedia. The Skillpedia is online platform for teaching and learning, and I have uploaded a lot of training lectures plus slides plus lab assignments on the portal the Skillpedia. So if you are interested in learning a technology, latest technology, please join at theskillpedia.com. Now this session is about OpenStack image service glance. So far what we have done, we have configured MySQL database, we have installed MariaDB, we have installed etcd, we have installed and configured memcache, we have installed and configured RabbitMQ, and in the last lecture what we have done, we have completed the installation and configuration of Keystone Identity Service. This session is about OpenStack image service glance. So let's start with the sourcing. I'm logged in as stack user, source, admin OpenRC, which we did in the last session. Admin OpenRC set up the environment variables, like if we want to see env, and then we can use grep command, env grep os to check the variables, the environment variables which are set for this particular thing. So we have set these environment variables which are actually part of this file admin OpenRC. Now we can source this file. After this file is sourced, we can check the services, users and projects and everything. So for that, commands are OpenStack, let's say user list, to check the users. Then we can check the roles, the projects, the services. So these are the users, admin and demo. Then we can use a role. So it will show you the roles which we created. My role example, we created my role. There was an admin role created right in the beginning. So a member role, reader role. Then we can check the projects also. Project list will show the projects. And then we can also check the services. So we have service project, admin project, the Skillpedia project. And to check the services, we can check service list. So the services. So this way, this is the so far the development, so far the environment we created, and we have configured identity, Keystone Identity Service is created already. To start with the glance, let's create the database first. So login as MySQL, log into MySQL user, MariaDB database, MySQL -u root -p, and then type the password. Logged in as root user. Let's create the database first. The database going to be glance database, create database glance, and then we need to assign privileges, we need to grant privileges, we need to create a user glance. So grant all privileges on glance.start to a glance at localhost identified by glance db pass. And similarly, we need to grant privileges to this user from wherever this user wants to connect by using this wildcard @wildcard, that is percentage sign. So users is created. Let's do flush privileges, exit, and now let's create the user. OpenStack user create, domain is default, project is service, password is glance pass, and the username is glance. And then we need to add this user to admin role. So for that we will use the command OpenStack role add. So OpenStack role add, project is service, user is glance, and the role is admin. So we are using this glance user to admin role. And then we need to create a service activity with the name, let's say the Skillpedia. The OpenStack service create, name of the service is glance, description is the Skillpedia OpenStack image service, and the name of the service is image. This will create the use service. After the service is created, we'll create the endpoints, internal, external, and admin. There are 3 endpoints: internal, public, and admin. For every service, we'll create endpoints like this. OpenStack endpoint create, region is region 1, image, for image service we are creating the endpoint, and public endpoint controller http:// controller 9292. Similarly, we need to create the endpoint for internal connectivity. So the endpoint name will be, in that case, will be internal. So let's create the internal endpoint. Public endpoint created. Now internal. OpenStack endpoint create region 1 image internal. And similarly we can create the endpoint for admin also. So internal also created, now admin. So if you see there, everything is same except that here admin, internal and public. So we need these endpoints. And now we need to install the packages. So let's exit from here, and as root user, enable the repository OpenStack, CentOS OpenStack Suri, Power Tools, EPEL, and install OpenStack Glance and wget. EPEL repository is no more applicable for this. We can simply install wget from OpenStack Suri and Power Tools. They are already enabled. This will install the OpenStack Glance packages. Once the installation is complete, we are logged in as root user. Let's make some changes to the configuration files. The Glance configuration file is stored under etc glance and the file name is glance API. So let's edit this file, vi glance /etc/glance api.conf file. Under this we have to make some changes. First is, let's change the bind address. Bind address is all 0.0.0.0, which is internet. Then we need to go to the glance store section. Under this we need to make changes. Store name, default store, file system, default directory. So we need to make some changes here. Store is file or HTTP. Default store is file. File system store directory is varlib glance images. So glance is going to store all your images under varlib glance under this directory. Then we need to make changes to the database section. Under database we need to change the MySQL connection MySQL plus py MySQL glance glance user glance db pass is the database password at controller and database name is glance. And then we need to set up the keystone auth token, and here we need to specify the authentication details for our service. The keystone, more or less same details which we set in the admin OpenRC. So which include like authenticate URI, auth URL, memcache server details, auth type, project domain name, user domain name, project name, username, password, and then paste deploy, flavor is keystone. That is this section is already there. Let me go and search the section. Yes, under this we have a flavor option. Flavor is keystone. That line might be there already, so we just need to uncomment that line. Yes, flavor keystone. This part is done. Now let's change the permissions so that is not this file is not accessible by anybody else other than the glance user. chmod 640 etc glance api.conf, and then change the ownership to root group and glance user. chown root glance etc glance api. Right, now let's populate the database which we created for glance. Sync the database. So su switch users software that is bin bash, that is shell is /bin/bash, and then command is glance manage db sync. This command will synchronize the database and populate the database. Now we can enable the database. Now it is populating the database. Database is synced successfully. Now enable the service. Now we have SC Linux enabled in our case. So we need to enable security enhanced Linux boolean, which is the glance API CAN network on. We need to set this boolean, and we also need to create a policy for glance. So let's create a policy. Glance API will create that also. So let's create a policy. Glance API.te, this file we need to create. and we need to set the policy details in this file. Module glance API require glance API T, that is a this is a security policy, security enhanced Linux policy types and context and the booleans. Alright, we set these definitions and then we need to check the module if all is well, and then we'll build the module. Now module, everything seems to be okay. Now we can build the module and we can insert this module. So this is going to be our SE Linux module for glance. Now we insert this module in kernel by using sc module -i insert glance api.pp. that is the out file, glance module glance api.pp file. This is applicable when you have SE Linux enabled. Now let's start the service. So let's start the service. Systemctl start OpenStack glance API. Let's enable it. Let's check the status using status command. Service is running. Now let's open the firewall ports also. Firewall cmd -- permanent add port 91919192 TCP ports and reload the firewall. Now we need to verify the working of the service. So switch back to stack user, source the file, admin openrc, and then download the file, the image file, Sir OS latest image file as of today. wget download Sir OS CloudNet. The latest version is 0.5.1 and download the image. Once the image is downloaded, we are going to create image out of this with the name Sir OS from this, and which is going to be public image. So image is available. Now OpenStack image create, our image name is going to be Sir OS, file is the file which you have downloaded, and the disk format is raw, container format bare, and is going to be public image. And then once it is confirmed, then we can check the image list by using image list command. So image created, let's verify image list. If we can see the image, that means our OpenStack glance part is done. So we have successfully installed and configured OpenStack glance service. We are working on CentOS 8. That's all for this session. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.